Hi everyone, this is Midhundi Agustin and welcome to the lecture series on model predictive control. In this lecture, we discuss the basic concepts and numerical implementation of nonlinear model predictive control or NMPC. Here is the overview. We start with the introduction and problem formulation of NMPC, which is then followed by its numerical implementation and the algorithm. For the NMPC design and analysis, we consider the discrete time nonlinear system defined by equation 1, in which k is the discrete time instant, xk is the state vector, uk is the control input vector, f is the nonlinear mapping which maps the current state xk to the next state xk plus 1 under the control action uk. The sets x and u are the constraint set for the state and input vectors, which is defined as in equation number 2. And this is similar as in LMPC case. Now, for the NMPC problem, we define the cost function as in equation number 3, in which Q and R are the weighting matrices for the state and input vectors, and Qn is the terminal weighting matrix. The predicted state and control input sequence is defined as in equation number 4, which contains the predicted states and control inputs over the prediction horizon as its elements. Then, the NMPC problem is to compute the control sequence UK, which minimizes the cost JK for the nonlinear system with the current state Sk. The control sequence is computed by solving the optimization problem in equation 5. This has to be repeated at each time instant k, and the first element of the control sequence is applied to the system at current instant, which results in a receding horizon scheme. Compared to LMPC, here the major difference is that the system model or the state equation is nonlinear, which makes the equality constraint in the optimization problem nonlinear. Therefore, in NMPC, the optimization problem will be a nonlinear programming problem which can be non-convex based on the state equation. Next, we discuss the NMPC algorithm in which we formulate the NMPC optimization problem as a nonlinear programming problem. As in the case of LMPC algorithm, by using the predicted state sequence vector xk and the control sequence vector uk, the cost function and the constraints for the NMPC can be represented as in equation number 6 and 7, where FEQ denotes the equality constraint which is obtained from the nonlinear state equation. Then, by defining the optimization vector Z, which contains xk and uk as its elements, and h, f, and g as similar in LMPC, the optimization problem for NMPC is obtained as in equation number 9, which is a nonlinear programming problem. Here, the equality constraint FEQ depends on the current state xk. Therefore, current state information is required for solving the optimization problem. In NMPC, we have to solve this optimization problem at each time instant, which gives Z star that contains xk star and uk star as its elements. Then, the first element of uk star will be the control input with NMPC, and this is given in equation number 10. The algorithm for NMPC is given here. In this, firstly, we have to construct the matrices Qx, Ru, H, F, and G, which is computed offline using the weighting matrices and constraint set parameters. Then, in the online computation, during each time instant k, we obtain the current state from either measurement or estimation. Using this, the optimization problem is solved to compute Z star, which contains xk star and uk star as its elements. Then, the first element of uk star is applied to the system, which gives the next state. We can use the current optimal solution as an initial condition for the optimization problem at the next instant. This is given in step 8 of the algorithm. For NMPC, the optimization problem will be a nonlinear programming problem, which is needed to be solved online at each time instant. Therefore, we have to use some efficient numerical optimization algorithms with fast convergence for solving this optimization problem. That completes this lecture. Thanks for listening.